What is up, everyone? I exist. I'm still here, still kicking. There hasn't been a video in a while, as you guys can see. Just been a lot of prep for this event. I started a new full-time job, so like when I get home with the little light that I have, as you guys know, I don't have a garage. I'm just working on the car. Finally got the car sorted out, tuned, good to go, a-okay. And we're going to Global Time Attack. I was actually supposed to be leaving tonight. I went to go pick up my U-Haul trailer because, as you guys know, I don't have a trailer or the space to keep one. And their systems are down. They couldn't rent the trailer to me. So first thing tomorrow when they open, we're gonna get the trailer, shoot up to NJMP. We're gonna be late, but I already cleared it with everyone there and they're okay with it. So you know, we'll get there. Probably be like a session down. Not gonna rush or anything like that. I'll just skip the first session and then hit the second one running, and then you know we got all of Friday and then all of Saturday to just go out there and shred. So yeah, this is gonna be we're gonna pick back up with the videos. I hope to do them soon, or you know, often again. But yeah, we're gonna start with today. I mean, start with tomorrow. Yeah. Finishing loading the truck. It looks like a mess, but it is what it is. The car is over there. Pretty much good to go. And yeah, let's do this. Alright, we are finally on the way. You can't see it, I got my bumper in the back. The car's on this U-Haul trailer. We got 2 hours to go. We're gonna be super late. So we're probably going to miss a couple sessions. I'm not going to rush to get a ton of driving in today. So we're just going to do what we can, get there, get teched, and you know, drive and have fun. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys at some point. We are here and set up, ready to party. Super hyped. I'm not going to go out until like after lunch though, so I will hopefully have some GoPro footage. Get ready to go out and have a good time. Hopefully the car holds together. And yeah, I'm not good at this vlog anymore. Oh man, oh man. had a little bit of trouble. We think we might have lost the clutch, but we'll see tomorrow. I think we might have just like got it real hot. Also had like a little issue with heat soak. This intercooler is getting heat soaked like crazy, so we're either gonna get this new engine lid that I've been looking at, or I don't know, add a fan to that thing or something like that. They're just getting too hot, and so some safety features are coming in and kind of limiting power a little bit, so that we're not sending super hot air in there and creating some knock. So other than that, things are good. We decided to hold off on the last session of the day, just wait for tomorrow, see if the clutch kind of cooperates. We ended up cutting the stuff out of here. We're gonna do it over there too. We took off the side panels just to kind of aid with the cooling. So we'll hit you guys tomorrow. We're gonna grill and chill out and maybe do some go-karting and yeah, just hang out. Up nice and early. Got a driver's meeting in like an hour or two, and then my first session is like 2 hours after that almost. We're gonna have a nice, pretty cool track today. I'm gonna try and get out there at some point where I can really get room. If I can get room, I can get a solid lap or two in, and I think we can put a good time. That's just the big thing right here today, or yesterday, was this traffic. There's so much traffic. There's some guys that are really, really fast in my ring group. I kind of make it around really quickly, and then there's some guys that are, I don't want to say slow because they put a faster time than me, but it just doesn't line up. So we will get out there and I'll show you guys some more footage. So we're here, had some issues with the car, started overheating. Clutch is probably fucked.
Yo, rig tuner's gone.
Oh shit.
High quality video. This is the Whamps Fire. The Olympics of the Whamps. Whamp Olympics.
I truly hope that does not happen.
The burnt out.
Well, came to GTA, this is a good time, had a real good time. Shout out to my boys. The car did good, just hot, so really couldn't put any good laps down. Just overheating, cooling with the actual cooling system, and intake temps. So it's got some things to work at and try and get fixed and put a new clutch in this thing. But truly, honestly, I think it's time for more power. The people in the class that I was in, everyone's like 200 horsepower on me. Even, I mean, there was Miatas and stuff like that, but I'm sure those cars seemed like they even had 300 horsepower. They were pulling away from me, and my car should be making 300 horsepower. So it's time for more power. So it's time for a motor.